Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Tyrone back with Tech Life. And here we have an article from WGRC, which I will leave in the description down below so you guys could check that out. So here we have a network update from Verizon, and this is a good one. Verizon installing cell tower at Mercy Hospital to fix dead zone in South Buffalo. So like I said and been mentioning, Verizon is continuing to improve the network where they've had dead zones. That's continuously happening. C-band is going to lift capacity and take that capacity threshold to another level. And in this case, there's a complete dead zone by a hospital. Verizon comes in and they fix it. So that's very important. So there are parts of South Buffalo where cell phone service completely drops. Neighbors in the area have been wanting a solution for a while now. They're finally getting one. So like I said, I'll leave this article in the description down below so you guys could check it out for yourselves. Verizon is continuously improving. They're spending a lot. A lot of that extra money outside of the regular CapEx went towards C-band. But over the next few years, there's going to be more sites that they're going to build. And possibly these new sites will come with C-band. And they will improve that way, right? They keep saying they're the premium carrier, so they're going to have to continue improving the network. But I always want to throw this in objectively. It hasn't mattered. They have not been growing since, for a while now. Even though with the larger network, with 200 million pops of C-band now, Verizon hasn't gained any momentum. I've gotten the recent market share numbers, and they look bad. They've dropped another percentage point, nationally. So that's a lot that they're dropping, and they don't seem to care. MVNOs, by the way, are picking up on that in terms of share, and T-Mobile as well. So make sure you guys stay tuned to the channel for more. Like, share, subscribe, follow my social media outlets. This is Tyrone with Tech Live. See you on the next one. Peace.